Good afternoon. I'm Stephen with Gill Construction. I'm here with Libby. We just finished up her project, this patio extension out here in her outdoor living space. And so we're just here asking her a couple questions about her project. So what was the reason why what were you unhappy about your space that you wanted to update?
So when we bought our house, the only part we had that was covered was a small, probably 12 by 20 airspace or space that was covered. And we have dogs, we don't have children, we built our pool. We just wanted some more covered patio that we can enjoy being outside when it's hot, when it's cold, when it's raining. And so this is our dream come true. So we're really excited to have it.
So what were your initial concerns or hesitations about the remodel, and did we address those concerns?
So our biggest concern, I think, that we have seen lots of people add on to their home and add on a kind of awning or outdoor covering, and they don't look good at all. They look very haphazard, and they're done with metal and tin and off kilter, I guess. And so that was one of my biggest fears, and my husband too, is we wanted it to look like it had been there from the beginning. And you assured me it would be like that, and it's, it surpassed what we originally thought. It looks great, and we're very happy for that.
Why did you ultimately choose our company for the project?
I did my research. I like to look things up. I like to just double check that I'm doing my due diligence, and there was always a lot of good feedback. And you were highly rated, highly recommended, and that pretty much helped seal the deal. Once we talked to you and visited with Richard, I guess. Right. Matthew, yes. We had a good feeling, and with all the reviews and the feedback, we felt good about it.
How was the communication throughout the project?
That communication was great. That daily log that y'all do, the website, that's just phenomenal. That made it so much easier. Every single one of your subcontractors did a really good job of, after they worked for a day, they would take pictures. And that was great. They always were very communicative with us, kind of about little stuff, but just every day knowing I would get that update and just being able to predict, okay, here's what we got to plan for tomorrow, or here's what's going to happen, or here's what's left. I love that. I think any contractor should have to do that, because it really is it's very beneficial.
Were there any unexpected challenges, and how were those resolved?
Probably the only thing I can think that was unexpected was when they first started working, we had to they had to put a beam inside the wall. And so we had an opening for a little bit. And of course, that was like Friday afternoon, and there was rain, and no one knew there was going to be rain. And so lovely Saturday morning, when it's pouring rain and water's coming in our house, you showed up and are outside in the rain, tarping it up, trying to cover it. And then the following day, one of your subcontractors came and did the same thing on a Sunday. So, I mean, we really appreciated that. That was something that I wouldn't have thought would have happened, is that I would have gotten such a quick turnaround and such immediate assistance and help to fix that problem, instead of too late, deal with it till Monday, and we'll see you. And it was a holiday weekend. That was the other bad thing. It was like Labor Day weekend or something, and that was the other thing, is we knew it was going to be a while. So that was the unexpected. We weren't planning on, but your company came in, and even after they taped it up, bagged it up, the following day came in and tore down sheetrock that was wet and completely took everything out that could have been susceptible to mold and further problems. So,
did the project stay on schedule and within the price that we originally gave you?
It did. I think we ended up being right at 5 weeks, maybe. It was, and you had said initially, we said, oh, maybe 2 to 3 weeks, but we had rained a couple of times, and we knew that was an estimate, but it stayed on track. And again, those daily logs, I can't say it enough. That just helped. That gave me hope every day. I was like, oh, okay, well, this is what's going to be done. So now we know the next step. So kind of, we could tell when it's going to get wrapped up, when it's starting to go. And we rarely had a day, if even any, where nothing happened unless there was rain, or a holiday. Everything was great. The price stuck to it. Everything was wonderful with that. And as anticipated, as expected, yeah, overall it was great.
Well, thank you for sharing, and we hope that you enjoy this for a long time to come.
Yeah, let's do it.
Beautiful space here with the pool, and yeah, thank you.